It's Imran from Car Sound Security here. Today we've just installed a Ghost Immobiliser on this BMW X3 2019 to stop high-tech criminals stealing the vehicle from key cloning, relay attack, signal jamming, and other many possible ways. Let me show you how it works. So we're going to try to start the car first of all. Here's the key, push button start. Let me put my foot on the brake, press the start button, and the vehicle is immobilized. Just won't start because the Ghost is preventing it from starting. So let me show you how you would start out. We've set up a demonstration code, so which will be changed after this demo. So get your dash lights up and just the paddle shift there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the indications, 2 flashes. There we go. Put my foot on the brake and press the start button. And the vehicle is started now, ready for drive. Thanks for watching. Give us a call if you're interested in getting this done on 0208 554 554. Thank you.